It's good, unstoppable is the future.
Stunning, amazing and beautiful.
New, innovative, exciting.
International, high-end, established.
Attractive, big offer, professional.
Energy, mood, professional.
It's positive and positive. Yeah.
とてもいいショーです。This is best, one of the best.
Cannot miss.
Overwhelming.
I'll give you one word: exceptional.
The September Hong Kong Jewellery and Gem Fair showed yet again why it is the world's #1 jewellery event. Occupying up to 135,000 square meters exhibition space, its 31st edition, held in September 2013, was another record-breaking feat. 3,633 exhibitors from 48 countries and regions greeted a total of 52,651 trade professionals from 154 countries and regions, the biggest exhibitor and visitor figures in the fair's history. The fair featured 22 group pavilions in the 2 venues. Represented were Antwerp, Brazil, mainland China, Colombia, France, Germany, Hong Kong, India, Indonesia, Israel, Italy, Japan, Korea, Poland, Singapore, Spain, Sri Lanka, Taiwan, Thailand, Turkey, the United States, and the International Colored Gemstone Association, ICA. Under the Product Sectorization Initiative, Asia World Expo houses all kinds of jewelry raw materials, including diamonds, gemstones, pearls, and packaging tools and equipment, while the Hong Kong Convention and Exhibition Centre houses fine finished jewelry. In addition, there are themed pavilions at each of the venues that feature specific product categories. The Hong Kong Pavilion gathers over 1,350 local exhibitors in the 2 venues. This makes the September Fair the single largest showcase of Hong Kong jewellery in the world. The fair at Asia World Expo features the world's largest diamond pavilion, which houses more than 430 diamond exhibitors. Groups from Antwerp, Israel, India, and the United States exhibit a wide range of high-quality diamonds in the Diamond Pavilion. The Fine Gem Pavilion in Hall 9 of Asia World Expo is dedicated to showcasing the world's finest loose diamonds, colored gemstones and pearls. The pavilion houses more than 50 esteemed exhibitors from around the world who have made utmost quality and value as their philosophy. The Gemstone Pavilion is the largest of its kind in Asia and is the ultimate marketplace where buyers can source a wide array of rough and polished gemstones from around the world. Pearl Pavilion offers a fine selection of all types of pearls in a wide range of colors, shapes and sizes. It enjoys the support of the Hong Kong Pearl Association, Japan Pearl Exporters Association, and the Tahitian Pearl Association of Hong Kong, making the fair one of the biggest showcases of pearls in the world. The Packaging, Tools and Equipment Pavilion in Hall 11 of Asia World Expo showcases the latest in jewellery manufacturing and packaging materials, tools and equipment. The Hong Kong Premier Pavilion in Halls 1D and E of Hong Kong Convention and Exhibition Centre is an esteemed venue for Hong Kong's best. This pavilion gathers over 40 Hong Kong avant-garde jewelers and their latest exquisite collections. Located in halls 3B and C of Hong Kong Convention and Exhibition Centre, the International Premier Pavilion hosts over 65 prestigious international jewellery companies and brands from around the world, who captivate visitors with their latest jewellery collections. Featuring around 70 world-class jewellery companies, the Fine Design Pavilion is a luxury destination for the world's finest jewellery. Exquisite jewellery set with luxurious and rare diamonds, gemstones and pearls, as well as top-quality bejeweled watches, invaluable antique and estate jewellery, and exclusive one-offs from around the world are showcased. The Jadeite Gallery is home to exquisite Grade A jadeite products from renowned suppliers. The Designer Avenue is tailor-made for budding jewelry designers from around the world. This section serves as their springboard in launching their original creations on the world stage. The Silver Jewellery Pavilion showcases sterling silver jewellery from exhibitors from around the world. The International Fine Jewellery section is a graceful showcase of extensive collections of jewellery from various parts of the world. The Antique and Vintage Jewellery section offers a selection of valuable estate and vintage jewellery. The Pearl Jewellery and Finished Jewellery section showcases freshwater pearl jewellery and gem set jewellery. The Asian Fine Jewellery section showcases a wide variety of Asian jewellery collections. The Jewellery Accessories section is the perfect venue to source the hottest jewellery accessories from all parts of the world.
Fairly well organized, and it's a good venue to sell our pearls.
The world's become a very small place, so it's, you know, you can see whatever you want here.
Very comparable and absolutely excellent quality.
Here you can find cheap quality, high quality, what you want you can find.
Yes, there's a lot of choices from all over the world that are, in the color diamonds and all the type of diamonds.
So we are happy, and really, we had a good business here.
Oh, definitely. You have a much greater exposure. For the first time, we've had customers from West Indies, which we never had before, and we've got customers from Denmark. So, that's definitely expanding for us.
During the exhibition, a series of special events organized by leading international jewelry organizations and companies are held to provide participants networking opportunities to meet key industry players, learn from experts, find inspiring ideas, and explore new business opportunities. Among these events are seminars, conferences, jewelry parades, cocktail receptions, pearl and diamond auctions, and special display of jewelry pieces. The 2014 edition of the September Fair will be held from the 15th to 19th of September at Asia World Expo, and from the 17th to 21st of September at the Hong Kong Convention and Exhibition Centre. For the convenience of exhibitors and visitors, the fair organizer arranged a free continuous shuttle bus service running directly between the Hong Kong Convention and Exhibition Centre, Tsim Sha Tsui, Tung Chung, and the Asia World Expo. UBM Asia, the organizer of the most professional international jewelry fairs globally, offers opportunity to the world's jewelry trade. UBM Asia's jewelry fairs attract more than 100,000 trade buyers and over 9,500 exhibitors from around the world. In Hong Kong, UBM Asia organizes 2 mega jewelry fairs each year. They are the September and the June editions of the Hong Kong Jewelry and Gem Fair. In addition, it also organizes jewelry fairs in Shenzhen and Shanghai in China, Chennai, Gujarat, Hyderabad, Kolkata, and New Delhi in India, Japan, Istanbul in Turkey, Singapore, Taiwan, Freiburg in Germany, and Moscow and St. Petersburg in Russia, respectively. UBM Asia provides you the ideal platform to boost your jewelry business worldwide.
We always like coming here because it's a profitable show. Many people coming here from everywhere.
No, this one actually I think is one of the best show in the world.
Because these shows reflect customers' feelings for the new designs, for the future items. That's why it's so important.
It's a gateway. It definitely is a gateway to getting into the world and into the international jewelry industry.
Yes, because it's very international. Yes. Also for me, I can also find very much things which I don't find in other places.
It's a show with big opportunities. Big opportunities and good taste, good quality of the buyers.
Yes, of course. Very good contacts. And every year we meet other people, so we increase the business.
Well, great to be here. I mean, we see everybody from everywhere, so that's what we want.
Absolutely. I think it is a very good platform. I can't ask anything better than this.
For sure, Hong Kong is one of the most important ones.
Oh yes, definitely. September show is the main one. I think I would believe that it's a #1 show in the world.
Yeah, because that's the biggest show in the world.
The future is here.
Absolutely. I recommend people to come to the show as visitors and as exhibitors. Yes.
For more information, please contact our professional team or visit our website